Hey, good news, Indiana. The heaviest snow is done. We're still gonna get scattered snow showers the rest of the weekend. The problem is the wind may pick up a little bit tonight. Not crazy, but we're gonna have gusts that could reach up to 25 miles per hour. So you're probably gonna get kind of some more drifting like this, making it kind of hard to try to figure out exactly how much snow you got. But a lot of us picked up a foot or more across the state. It is a drier snow, so it's gonna blow around a little bit more. This day in history, back 1978, was the start of the blizzard of 78. That one brought over 20 inches across much of Indiana, 30 plus in some spots, but the winds were up to 55 miles per hour. We had drifts up to 25 feet. So nothing like that, but this is a good little dose of snow. You guys stay warm, be safe as you're headed out.